Hi everyone, our today's topic is keeping quiet. While learning keeping quiet, look at so many times when we are in our classroom, some students talk in a very less amount, some students talk lots more, or some students don't like to talk anybody else, only they enact. They want to tell by expressing themselves, by enacting themselves. For example, if anyone asks you any one question, what are you doing? What's wrong with you? Do you want to play with me? That means they only uh, enact or act to tell something, to express themselves. This is keeping quiet. That means trying to tell something without talking to somebody, without talking to someone else. This is keeping quiet. You can say that keeping quiet, that means you remain silence and you can express yourself lots of things without using any word, without talking, without telling anything else. Only you can enact the, only you can enact. In this topic, a very short conversation between the two students are given here. One student is asking Namita, "Hey Namita, hello." She just smiled. Are you busy? Shall we go out to play? Hey, what's wrong with you? Are you angry with me? Can I take you a pen? Where is it? Where is Mitali? Where is Shama? On the playground? In the office? Then I shall go to her. Look at this short conversation. Through this short conversation, you can also play the game of keeping quiet. Just make a pair of two students. One will ask question and another one is only enact. And you can play the game of keeping quiet in a very entertaining method. Look at this is a very entertaining game of keeping quiet. One student will ask questions and another one only enact. This is a very simple and very entertaining game of keeping quiet. Do you like to play the game of keeping quiet? Let's play the game of keeping quiet. While playing the game of keeping quiet, you must know few actions related to this game of keeping quiet. For example, this action, you have to do this action. That means this action is, hey, come here. Without using this sentence, without talking this sentence, hey, come here, you can just make action. One another action, just observe properly. That means I can't hear you. That means I can't hear you. Then one another action. Are you ready? Look at, are you ready? This is action related to are you ready? Then after, I don't like it. Look at, then next, it's very good, it's very good, only do the action, that means it's very good. Then after, that means what's wrong? What's wrong? Then the next is let me think. Let me think. This is the action of let me think. Then what a big surprise! That means you express yourself by telling something you are amazed. What a big surprise! Then look at, this is the action related to I don't know. I don't know. Then one another action, that means I don't like it. That means I don't like it. Do you like these actions? These actions, you can use these actions while playing this game of keeping quiet. This is very entertaining and very amusing game of keeping quiet. Do you like to play this game? Playing this game at your home, playing this keeping quiet, a very amusing or entertaining game. Do you like to play this game? When you play this game regularly, this game will 100% improve your acting, the skill in acting. If you want to improve your skill in acting, you should play this game for now and then regularly, because in this game you have to make only pair of two students. One will ask only questions and another will only act. Have you understood properly how to play the game of keeping quiet? Okay, very nice. Then play the game of keeping quiet at your home. Thank you very much.